Yes, YouTube, your boy Gear Cautious. You know, it was a wonderful event. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like the videos and share all the videos. Going to be more of those coming. You know, these people who love the car show and shit like that. Go ahead and we like all these setups and stuff. You know what I mean? So let's enjoy the show. Enjoy the video that I post. And remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, tell a friend, tell a friend. Alright, there'll be more. Alright, the more you share, the more you like, and the more you subscribe, it give you more motivation to go get more content out there for you guys. Alright, see boy Gear Cautious once more again. As you can see, I'm coming in. But please guys, show your boy some love. You know what I mean? It doesn't cost to subscribe, it doesn't cost to share. You know what I mean? You want more videos? I don't have a problem doing it for you guys, my Cautious family. And who is new to the channel, comment what part of this car show you like more. You know, so let me know, alright? Alright, tell a friend, remember, your boy Gear Cautious is out. So my babes. Big boy. Yeah, peeps, you see that? Spaceship. Hopefully. Oh shit. Big boys. Big boys. Big boys. Oh shit. Big boys. Big boys. Big boys. Right. Big boys. Shit. Man, that boy so. That boy so. Stupid. Sick boy. Okay. And twin up. But Jamaica do anything, they don't set up car good enough. If you want him to love the car, show beside the car. Then extra ice in the when the cake come. You know what I'm talking? Alright. Yeah man. You get to love it too, you know. You see black on that car come in? Sick your fuck! Lovely, sick your fuck! Oh, clean. It's under fear. Let's see.